Welcome back. We're looking at day 2, multiplying fractions of whole numbers with word problems. So I want to really quickly remind you that this process is actually from last week. It's the same exact word problem as I had from last week. It had a lot of steps to it. It had a lot of information to it. So what I want you to do is just, as you're working through this, draw or solve to the best of your ability. The only thing that concerns me about you guys getting these word problems is that it's supposed to show mastery, but sometimes you guys get so caught up in the problems and the wording and the information that's being thrown at you that you get so overwhelmed. So I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. I want you to try your absolute best. If you do not watch this video, I will say the same exact thing during my Zoom meetings. Try your absolute best. So that is it for today. If you guys have any questions, please be sure to call me or text me, however you need to reach me, and I will be more than happy to help.